Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will be focusing on the internal cleaning of the Dell XPS P91F. Let's begin by gathering the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, isopropyl alcohol, a microfiber cloth, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. For safety, it's advisable to wear your anti-static wrist strap to avoid damaging sensitive components. Begin by flipping the laptop over to access the screws on the bottom panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Make sure to place them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once all the screws are removed, gently pry the bottom panel off. Be cautious as there may be clips holding it in place. With the panel removed, you can now see the internal components of your Dell XPS P91F. The first area we will clean is the fan and heatsink. Over time, dust can accumulate here, leading to overheating and reduced performance. Using your can of compressed air, blow out any dust from the fan and heatsink. Hold the fan in place with a finger to prevent it from spinning while you clean. If you notice a lot of dirt, a soft brush can help dislodge stubborn particles. Next, let's clean the motherboard and other components. Dampen your microfiber cloth with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe the surfaces of the motherboard. Be sure not to saturate the cloth, a little goes a long way. This will help remove any grime without causing damage. As you work, remember that if you feel uncomfortable or lack the tools, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring that you don't have to make any calls or travel. You can receive a quote before any repair, allowing you to make informed decisions. After cleaning the components, reassemble your laptop by reversing the process. Carefully place the bottom panel back on, ensuring all clips are secured, and reinsert the screws. Make sure each screw is tight but do not over-tighten, as this can cause damage. Once everything is back in place, plug in your laptop and power it on. Monitor the performance to ensure that the internal cleaning has had a positive effect. If you notice any unusual sounds or issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Regular internal cleaning can greatly extend the lifespan of your device and improve its performance. Make it a habit to check the internals every few months, especially if you use your laptop frequently or in dusty environments. Remember, maintaining your hardware is just as important as software updates. Thank you for following along in this detailed cleaning guide for your Dell XPS P91F. Happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.